10 Golden Rules to Get Your Money Right. Welcome to our guide on the 10 Golden Rules to Get Your Money Right. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to enhance your financial management skills, these rules will help you achieve financial stability and prosperity. Let's dive into each rule in detail. Rule 1. Set financial goals. Setting clear financial goals is the first step toward financial success. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, funding your children's education, or planning for retirement, having defined objectives gives your financial decisions purpose and direction. Take time to identify your short-term and long-term goals and prioritize them based on importance and urgency. Rule 2. Budget consistently. A budget is your financial roadmap, guiding how you allocate your income toward expenses, savings, and investments. Start by tracking your income and expenses to understand your spending habits. Create a budget that reflects your financial goals, ensuring you allocate enough to essentials like housing, utilities, food, and transportation, while also earmarking funds for savings and discretionary spending. Consistently review and adjust your budget as your income and expenses change. Rule 3. Build an emergency fund. Life is full of surprises, and having an emergency fund provides a financial safety net when unexpected expenses arise, such as medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an easily accessible account, such as a savings account or money market fund. Prioritize building your emergency fund to avoid relying on credit cards or loans during times of financial hardship. Rule 4. Pay yourself first. Make saving a priority by paying yourself first. Before paying bills or discretionary expenses, allocate a portion of your income directly to savings and investments. Automate your savings contributions to ensure consistency and discipline. Over time, this habit will help you build wealth and achieve your financial goals faster. Rule 5. Manage debt wisely. Debt can be a useful tool when managed properly, but it can also become a burden if not handled wisely. Focus on paying off high-interest debts first, such as credit cards or personal loans, by making more than the minimum monthly payments. Consider debt consolidation or refinancing options to lower interest rates and streamline repayment. Avoid taking on new debt unless necessary and aligns with your financial goals. Rule 6. Invest for the future. Investing is essential for long-term wealth accumulation and achieving financial independence. Start investing early to benefit from compound interest and market growth. Diversify your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds to spread risk and maximize returns. Regularly review and rebalance your investment portfolio based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Rule 7. Educate yourself. Knowledge is power when it comes to personal finance. Educate yourself about financial concepts such as budgeting, investing, managing credit, and retirement planning. Take advantage of resources such as books, online courses, podcasts, and workshops to deepen your understanding and make informed financial decisions. Continuously seek to improve your financial literacy to navigate the complexities of the financial world confidently. Rule 8. Monitor your credit. Your credit score plays a crucial role in your financial life, influencing your ability to obtain loans, mortgages, and favorable interest rates. Regularly check your credit report from major credit bureaus to ensure accuracy and identify any errors that could impact your score. Maintain good credit habits by paying bills on time, keeping credit card balances low, and avoiding unnecessary credit inquiries. Rule 9. Live below your means. Living below your means is a cornerstone of financial stability and wealth building. Resist the temptation of lifestyle inflation that accompanies income increases by maintaining a modest standard of living. Practice frugality and prioritize spending on necessities and experiences that align with your values and long-term goals. By spending less than you earn, you'll have more resources available for savings, investments, and achieving financial freedom. Rule 10. Review and adjust regularly. Financial planning is not a one-time task, but an ongoing process that requires regular review and adjustment. Periodically revisit your financial goals, budget, savings plan, investments, and overall financial strategy to ensure they remain aligned with your current circumstances and objectives. Adjust your plans as needed in response to life changes, economic conditions, or new opportunities to stay on track toward achieving financial success. In conclusion, adopting these 10 golden rules to get your money right will set you on the path to financial security, independence, and prosperity. By setting clear goals, budgeting effectively, saving diligently, managing debt wisely, investing strategically, and continuously educating yourself, you'll build a solid foundation for achieving your financial dreams. Remember, financial success is within your reach with disciplined financial habits and a proactive approach to managing your money. Thank you for watching our guide on the 10 golden rules to get your money right. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips and guidance. Stay tuned for our next video.